Hi everyone, let's see what we are going to create today. It's a nice one. I really like the effect, so let's start that. And from today, I'm going to apply for jobs in other countries if I can. At first you need, let me delete that. At first you need to add a new slide. In the new slide, you have to have this text, and this text. These are just simple text and you can easily create them. After that, you need to insert a rectangle, but the importance of the rectangle is that it needs to be from the middle to here. So when you bring it up, it's look like this. But as you can see, it's not from the middle. Okay, now it's from the middle. And after creating that, you need to bring that to front. Some of you may think how I create this text. It use this text style and nothing more. And after creating that, you just need to simply go to shape format and set the text outline to none and make it black. And then just copy that. Copy this slide and select this and make it white. Or I have a better thing to do. You can select this text, and after selecting that, format the text. Here in the text option, choose the text outline and make it color white. And now, if you copy this slide and bring it up, it will look like this. It's really nice, and you can also make it better by increasing the text outline size. I think it's here, width, and now it's the greatest thing possible. Now you just need to set the transition to more, and your slide is ready. Let's take a look. You see, it's look great. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.